Well, I was just cutting grass, just finished, and within 10 minutes, look at this. Absolutely bouncing it down. And I can see over there my drain's blocked as well. And over there. Shit. Wow, unbelievable. I didn't even see it forecast. It's definitely coming down. This is literally in 10 minutes. Look at my garden. But luckily, I'd just finished cutting grass, so wow. Unbelievable. Well, I don't know why that drain's blocked over there. That's normally okay. Wow. And that's what can happen in just 10 minutes. Absolutely crazy. Look at this. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh well, at least grass is done. Look at this. Yeah. It wouldn't surprise. Like I said, this is literally 10 minutes, that's all, raining. And I reckon that road outside is already flooded, like a river. I'll see if I can get there. No. But I can see it's already above curbs and running like a... Wow, unbelievable. Yeah. So, sheep would have plants that to get a little bit of rain and down there getting hammered. Well, I don't know why that drain's blocked there. That's unusual. Oh well, catch you later, guys. Well, we've had 15 minutes, that's all. And you can see the road here. Let's see if I can go out. Oh, where are we? It's a river. So it's around 8-inch deep on road already. Unbelievable. Just in 15 minutes, like that. It's just starting now to brighten up. Still thundering and lightning in the background, but it looks like it's passed us over pretty quick, but that's only 15 minutes of rain. Ugh. And it's cold rain as well, and they just closed the gate. Unbelievable. So I managed to unblock that drain there. That one I did, but the trouble is because I've just cut grass as well, everything's running down to the drain, so just getting blocked again. But you can see my garden here, look at that. That one over there. Let's have a look, see if I can zoom in. That's a good 4 or 5 inches deep, believe it or not. Unbelievable. What can you do? Like I said, that's just in 15 minutes of rain. So believe me, there'll be a lot of places flooded in the houses. So we've got away with it again here because we're a little bit higher than most places around. Anyway, just thought I'd show you a quick rainy season storm. Catch you later, guys.